Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission using AI Sensei. So here I am managing a real estate agency, and to promote my business and to generate the leads along with their inquiries, I have created an inquiry form with the help of Elementor. I have attached that form on my website, and now my objective is that whenever a lead is going to submit that form for any kind of inquiry, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. Along with this, I also want to receive the WhatsApp message with all the details of these leads. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to build a connection between Elementor and AI Sensei through which we are sending the template messages on WhatsApp. So here, to build this connection, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. We will simply use an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message for Elementor form submission. So I am an owner of real estate agency, and we are using Elementor forms on our website to capture leads from potential buyers and renters. So here, responding manually to every inquiry, it's time consuming and the delays can cost us valuable opportunities. Alright, so to streamline this process, I have decided that as soon as a new form will be submitted by a lead for inquiry, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead in order to connect with them quickly. And I am also going to receive a lead alert WhatsApp message which will contain all the details of the lead, so that no opportunity will be missed, and I will be able to manage all the leads, connect with them and convert them into payable customers. But here, how am I going to do that? Am I going to write the message myself every time a lead is going to submit the form? No. I am going to automate this entire process by setting up a connection between Elementor forms and WhatsApp. So here I am going to do that without any coding and programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. Let's get started quickly. Pabbly Connect helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills by setting up connections between our work applications. So I am using AI Sensei over here for sending and receiving WhatsApp messages in the template format. Now here the form will be submitted through Elementor and WhatsApp message will be sent through AI Sensei. Both the applications are not directly connected. So we are going to build a connection between these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in currently. Now this is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards a dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we will click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send and get WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, I'm going to select WhatsApp marketing automations, which I have created a separate folder for all the automations related to WhatsApp. Okay, then I'm going to click on create, and as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows. Here we have trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective over here is that whenever a lead is going to submit the inquiry form for my real estate agency, then I want to receive and send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So over here, let's suppose I'm going to take Elementor and trigger and AI Sensei, through which I'm going to send the WhatsApp message to the leads in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the Elementor form will be submitted, then only WhatsApp message will be sent, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating this automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we'll go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application over here. Now our trigger application will be Elementor. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. We have new form submission as our trigger event. This means that now whenever a form will be submitted in Elementor, automatically the response will be captured. Now here, in order to capture the response, we have to build the connection first of all between Elementor and Pabbly Connect. So for this, we have received a webhook URL and also we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions, we have to insert this webhook URL inside our Elementor account. And as we will do that, the connection will be built. So let's copy the webhook URL, as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Elementor of every new form submission towards Pabbly Connect. And after this, I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to do. So first of all, you have to go towards your Elementor account. As you know, Elementor is the plugin of WordPress. So you have to open your WordPress site. You have to install the plugin Elementor and then you have to create the form over here. After creating the form, you have to connect this form of Elementor with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to simply create the form. This is my form. I have created the fields such as name, email, the type of inquiry for which the form is being submitted, the preferred property type of the lead and their phone number. After completing the form, you have to go towards actions after submit from the left side. And over here, you have to click on this plus icon and you have to search for webhook. Okay, as we have selected this option, you can see webhook is given over here as well. So let's select webhook option. And in the field of webhook URL, you have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So let's paste it. Okay, done, and the connection is built. And after connecting this form with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL, we will simply click on publish. So as we have done that, the form is published. So we will click on this preview changes to open the form in a new tab. We have all the fields over here. This is the form. It will look like this. And basically this is a contact, or we can say it is an inquiry form. They are going to submit this form if they will be interested in buying or renting the properties. Alright, once we have set up the connection, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the form which we have connected. So this is the form, it is already opened. I'm going to submit it in front of you so that the response could be captured. And because this is a test submission, so I'm going to enter some dummy details. Let's say the name of the customer who is submitting this form is dummy user. Let's say the email is dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the inquiry of this person is property visit. All right, then it is asking us preferred property type. So here I'm going to select, let's say, villa. Okay, and now I'm going to enter the phone number of the lead. Done. Let's click on send. As we have done that, the form is submitted. So as the form is submitted, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect now, and over here we will wait for the response. The response is captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. Let's quickly read them. Here, first of all, we have received the name of the form. Then we have the form ID. Then we have the user agent. We have the time at which the form is submitted. When we'll scroll down over here, we have the property type which the lead has submitted, villa. Over here, we have the phone number of this lead, page URL, the name of the lead, inquiry type, email, and the date. Okay. So here we have received all the details, and these are the exact details which we have submitted in the form. This means our connection between Elementor and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful, and now every time a new form will be submitted by a lead, automatically the response of that form is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Once we have set up the connection, our objective is to send the message to this lead as well as to get the message. So first of all, I'm going to receive the message myself, and for receiving the message here, I'm going to use AI Sensei. So I'm going to build the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our actions step. We will select our action application as AI Sensei, that is WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So let's select that. In place of AI Sensei, you can also use other applications such as Vati, WhatsApp Cloud API, etc. I'm using AISNC, so here I have connected that. Now we are going to select the action event, what you want to perform. We want to send template message. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, here we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection with your AISNC account, just go with that quickly. I'm going to show you how you have to build a new connection. For that, you will just go towards add new connection section, and here you have to provide the API key. To get the API key, you have to log into your AISNC account, and then I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to do. So you have to go towards manage section from the left side. After coming on manage, over here we have the option of API key, and this is our key. So let's copy it. We'll move back and paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save now, and the connection is already built. So let's move forward. We have to enter the details in these fields so that the message could be sent. Okay, so here let's start with the campaign name. What is campaign name and how you're going to get it? In order to send the template message from AISNC, you have to create a template, and then you have to link that template with a live campaign. As you will do that, you have to enter the name of that campaign over here. Then only you will be able to send the message along with the template. So I've already created some templates. I'm going to take you towards AISNC. We'll go towards the template message section, and we'll go towards all sections. So these are all the templates I have, all right? Here, in order to receive the message, this is my template which I have created. Prime Properties lead alert. This will be a lead alert message. You can see that this is the preview of the message which I am going to receive every time with the help of this template when the form will be submitted in Elementor. New lead alert. A new lead is received for Prime Properties. Here are the details. Here I am going to receive the details of the lead, such as their name, their phone number, the type of inquiry, and the property type for which they have submitted the form. And over here you can see some of the details are given in brackets. This means I have used variables in these places. When we use variables in the template, the data of that place automatically get replaced whenever a new submission is made, and in this way we will be able to automate the entire process of sending personalized message for each and every new lead. So here you can also use as much variables in your template as you want, and once you will complete this template, it will be sent for the approval. You can see my template is already approved over here, so I'm going to use it in order to receive the message. Once we have completed this template, we also have to link it with the campaign. So let's go towards campaign section, and now I'm going to click on launch button to launch a new campaign. We will go towards API campaign over here. You have to provide a name to the campaign. So I'm going to give the name, let's say as Prime Properties lead alert. Okay, this is the name of my campaign, let's say. Now I'm going to link it with my template. This is very important step, so you have to be very careful. You have to link the same template which you want to use for sending the message with the campaign. Okay, so here I have Prime Properties lead alert as my template. So it is the preview, and now I'm going to set the campaign live. We'll go towards the campaign section, and my campaign is ready. So let's copy the name of this campaign quickly, and then we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect to paste it over here. In the similar manner, you have to create your template, you have to create a campaign, and then you have to link your campaign with your template. Then we'll move forward. It is asking us a mobile number, on which number you want to send the message. So this is the message and the template which I have created for myself, so that I could be updated of each and every lead. So here I am the receiver. I am going to enter my own number. Then it is asking us the username, who is going to receive the message. I am going to receive the message, so here I am going to give the username as Prime Properties. That is the name of my company. Then it is asking us the source, tags, etc. Now this is a very important step, template parameter. In this field, you have to enter the values for the variables which we have used in the template. So I have used multiple variables in my template. We'll go towards the template section. We'll go towards the template. Here I have 4 variables: name, phone, inquiry type, and the property type. I will have to enter the values for each of these variables in my template parameter field. So are we going to enter it manually? No, because we want that data should get automatically replaced. We will simply use the previous step which we have received. First variable is for the name, so we will simply enter the name over here from the previous step, name of the lead. Okay, so here this is the name of the lead which I have received. I will select it and it is mapped. Then I will use a comma, a space. The second variable is for the phone number, so let's map the phone number of the lead. Then I will use a comma, a space. The third variable is for the inquiry type. So here we have the inquiry type. Okay, I have mapped that. Comma, space, and the last variable is for the type of property which is given over here. So I have mapped all these details, and because I have mapped these details from the previous response, they have become dynamic. With each and every new response, automatically they are going to replace now. And here every time I'm going to receive a new response from Elementor form, by a new lead, automatically all these details of the lead are going to replace with the new details of that new response. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of receiving WhatsApp message every time a new lead is going to submit the Elementor form. All right, let's move forward. Then here it is asking us the URL of the file name. If you want to attach file or document along with a message, you can enter the URL of that file and the file name. I'm going to keep these fields as blank, and I will simply click on save and send test request button now. Here we have received the response and it is saying success true. That means the message is sent. So I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will check whether the message is received or not. One more thing I have to tell you, that because we have entered this mobile number manually, so now it has become static and it is not going to replace. Every time the form will be submitted, we are going to receive the lead alert message on my number only. So I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp now. And over here we can see that yes, the message is received. New lead alert. A new lead is received for prime properties. Here are the details: name, phone number, inquiry, and the type of property. This means that the connection is absolutely successful up till now. So now we are going to move forward towards the next step. Our next step is to send the message to the lead as well, so that quickly we will be able to connect with the lead. Alright, so for that also I have created another template. We are going to connect that template with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on this add action step button. We will select our action application over here as AI Sensei only. And then we will select our action event as send template message. Let's click on connect as we have already built the connection. So we'll go with the existing one. Now it is asking us the campaign name. So once again, I'm going to create a campaign in front of you. We'll go towards AI Sensei and I will take you towards the template section. So this is the template which I have created for sending the message to the leads. Prime properties inquiry. This is the preview of the message. Here also I have used variables. So now we are going to link this particular template with another campaign. We'll go towards the campaign section. I'm going to create a new campaign over here once again. We'll go towards API campaign, and over here the name of the campaign will be new lead inquiry. Okay, we are going to link the template as well. Prime properties inquiry. All right, so here I have linked the template. We'll click on set live and the campaign is ready. So we'll go towards the campaign. We'll copy the name of the campaign quickly and we'll move back to paste it over here. Done. Now we have to enter the mobile numbers. So this message is going to be received by the lead. Here we are going to simply map the number of the lead. Okay. Done. Now we have to enter the username. Who is going to receive the message? The lead. So we will map the name of the lead over here. Then we will quickly enter the parameters. So first variable which I have used in the template is for the name of the lead. So I will simply map the name. This is the value. We will use a comma, a space. Then the second variable is for inquiry type. Okay, so here I'm going to go back. We will select the inquiry type over here. Use a comma, space, and the third variable is for the type of property. So I will map the type of property over here. Done. So when we have mapped all these details, they have also become dynamic. Let's click on save and send test request button. And over here it is saying that yes, the message is sent. So let's check whether the message is received on the number which we have mapped or not. And yes, over here we can see that the message is received. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. We have hi dummy user, thank you for your interest in our properties. We have received your inquiry for property visit regarding villa. You can see that according to the variables and the values which we have given, the details are changed. Our team will get in touch with you shortly to assist you further. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message and we'll be happy to help. Okay, so this is the message. This means our connection is absolutely successful and also our workflow is ready. So what we have done, let's quickly summarize. We have built a connection between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp by AI Sensei in such a way that every time a new form will be submitted in Elementor, automatically first of all we are going to receive the message of that new form submission, and also a message will be sent to the person who has submitted the form instantly, so that we will be able to connect with the leads instantly, quickly, without any manual efforts, in the personalized format, to stay in touch with them and also to solve their queries with the help of WhatsApp message. I hope this automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.